Okay, we're going to be solving the equation 7 bracket 5a minus 4 bracket minus 1 equals 14 minus 8a. So the first step we want to do is expand and work with the brackets and follow BEDMAS. And we're going to do that right now. So we're going to do 7 times 5a, which is 35a. And we're going to do 7 times negative 4, which is negative 28 minus 1. And make sure you line up your equal signs, right? And there's nothing to work with on this side, so we're just going to keep it 14 minus 8a. Okay, so as you see here, there is one thing we can work with because these are two numbers that are not attached with variables, negative 28 minus 1. So we're going to write out the 35a again. Negative 28 minus 1 is negative 29. Keep line up your equal signs, and there's nothing to solve on this side, so we're going to keep it the same. Okay, now it's time to use the arrow method. So what we're going to do is keep like the variables on each side, and we're going to put the a, we're going to solve for a on the left side. So we're going to take this negative 8a, and we're going to use the arrow method and bring it here, and we're going to also use the negative 29, and bring it over here. So we're going to rewrite that now. So it would be, since we're moving it over, we're going to do 35a plus 8a, keep line up your equal signs, equals, and then we're going to move this negative 29 over, 14 plus, because we're moving it over, 29, right? And now we're going to solve. 35 plus 8 is 43a. We're going to line up our equal signs, and 14 plus 29 is 43. And then we're going to divide because we're trying to solve for a. We're going to divide this by 43, and we're also going to divide this by 43. And then a equals 1 because these cancel each other out. And we just have a, and now these divide, and that's 1. So now we're going to do this formal check. We're going to take what's on this side, and we're just going to write it out again. And we're just going to write this out again. The reason why we write it out is because just so we see what we're working with. So now we're going to take it, and we're going to replace the a with what we think a is, which is 1. So we have 7 bracket 5. I like to use the dot times 1 minus 4 minus 1. And now we're going to work with what's in the bracket, so we can keep that 7 the same. And we can't do it all at once because BEDMAS says that you can't, but I'm going to because it won't matter with this because 5 will just stay the same. So 5 times 1 is 5, 5 minus 4 is 1, and then minus 1. And what we have here is 7. We can also do the same thing we did up here. 7 times 1 is 7, and 7 minus 1 is 6. So left side equals 6. With the right side, we're going to write it 14 minus 8, and we're also going to use the dot again, times 1. And since we're going to follow BEDMAS, and we're going to do 18 times 1 first, so 14 minus 8, and that is 6. So that is equal to each other. Right side equals left side. And we're going to write our therefore statement. Therefore, a equals 1 is correct.